Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with a warm engine for faster flow. Don't idle long, just 5-10 minutes. Park level, set the parking brake, and jack one end, then place jack stands, safety first. Once done, remove the oil filler cap so air can enter the crankcase. Slide the drain pan under the oil pan flange, select the correct socket, and break loose the drain plug now. Loosen it slowly so hot oil doesn't splash. Control the flow with a rag as it begins to run. You'll let the oil drain until it slows, typically 5-10 minutes so most contaminants exit. While it drains, wipe the drain plug and inspect the drain hole for debris. Next, break loose the old oil filter with the wrench and remove it. Watch for remaining oil in the housing. Clean the filter mounting surface and ensure the old gasket didn't stick. Lubricate the new filter's seal with fresh oil, thread it on by hand, and tighten to the specified snugness. Don't over-torque. You'll reinstall the drain plug using a new washer if supplied and torque to spec to prevent leaks. Pour the exact amount and grade of oil into the filler neck, then wait a minute and check the dipstick to hit the correct mark. Start the engine for 30-60 seconds, watch under the car for leaks and shut it off. Recheck level and top if needed. If a leak appears, tighten the filter or plug slightly. If persistent, replace the gasket or reseat the filter and retorque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.